Page 29. Compounds. Throughout this piece we have learned more about elements, the basic substances God created. We have seen that one way of combining elements produces a mixture. No new substance is formed with a mixture. We also discussed solutions. A solution is a special kind of mixture. In a solution, we cannot see the separate substances. Next, we will study compounds, another way elements can be combined. A compound is formed by combining two or more elements by means of a chemical reaction, so that a new substance is produced. What is a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is a joining together of two or more elements. In a chemical reaction, the elements join together in a special way, and as a result, a new substance is formed. The old forms of the elements no longer exist. In this illustration, we see an example of a chemical reaction resulting in a common compound. That which happens in a chemical reaction is a wonderful picture of what happens when God saves us. Therefore, if any man be in Christ, he is a new creature. Old things are passed away. Behold, all things are become new. 2 Corinthians chapter 5, verse 17. When the old elements in a chemical reaction are combined to produce a new substance, many of the characteristics of the individual elements are replaced by new characteristics. When we ask Jesus Christ to come into our lives, he changes us. As a result, we take on new characteristics and become more like him. Now we will look at two chemical reactions and see how a new compound is formed. Notice that in each reaction, two elements combine to make only one new substance. Oxygen and iron are two elements. Oxygen is an invisible gas, and iron is a metal. When oxygen from the air or water comes in contact with iron, a chemical reaction occurs, and a new substance, rust, is formed. Rust is not anything like either pure oxygen or pure iron. In their pure states, oxygen is invisible, and iron is a silvery colour. Yet, when these two elements are combined, the chemical reaction produces red-coloured rust. Another example of a compound is found in every house. See if you can guess what the compound is. Sodium is a soft metal, and chlorine is a poisonous gas. What compound is produced when sodium and chlorine combine in a chemical reaction? It is a white substance that everyone has tasted. If you guess salt, you're correct. Compounds are stable substances. Nearly all elements quickly form compounds. Why do the elements not stay pure? Why are the pure elements so eager to form compounds? Chemists say that most elements are unstable. Unstable elements are rather like a table without all its legs. A table that is missing one or more of its legs is unstable and easily falls down. Most elements are unstable like that table. However, once the tabletop and all its legs are properly fastened together, the table becomes stable. In the same way, once the unstable elements combine, the compounds they form are stable. Oxygen and iron easily form rust. Sodium and chlorine easily form salt. Rust and salt are stable compounds. They will not easily form other substances.